Hi, this is Sliding into Digital Flipbook with Google Slides with Not at ISTE 2019. My name is Abigail Schifferl from Greenville County Schools in South Carolina. I teach middle school math and science, and in the fall, I'll be teaching career tech ed. There's the link. If you can type in the link, it has tools for you to use during the presentation and after the presentation. Flipbooks, we used to look at them as kids and created them. It allows for creativity for our students and to see what they really know about our objectives. Why digital flipbook? You'll see collaboration, creativity, communication, and critical thinking as they work together to help solve how to make their digital flipbook better. Here's some completed projects. I have some from teachers and I have some from students, so you can see a variety. I would like to show you The Journey to the Earth's Crust by an 8th grader. This was a project that he actually did this year. He had his characters talking back and forth. So here I made the time 1500. I changed it from 3000 to 1500. The characters are moving rather slow, but then because he had the conversation, I wanted to make sure that we could see and be able to read what they're saying back and forth. He did a very good job. He got to pick his characters, and then he got to pick his backgrounds. So it showed creativity plus something that he really enjoyed. Tips: when you're creating one, find a good background so it's there when you add a slide. Under slide, you'll apply layout, use blank. It looks great when your picture looks like it's floating off the page. You'll see my example. When you publish the slides, I change the last number in the link to 3000 to 300, or for the other presentation, I changed it to 1500. I'm going to ask if you can create a digital flipbook. Pick an easy one based on your objectives, or pick a fun one. I've added my directions I used with my students in the next slides to help guide you, and you can also ask me for any help. I'd love to see your final piece. Please share it with me at aschiffer@greenvilleschools.us. My digital flipbook, I have an example of a haunted house I did for fun, and inertia I did for science. Here's if you're going under advanced search, this tells you how you can go and change your advanced search. Here's a background in your Google Slides. You can change it so that you'll have the same background on all your slides. I did a search. I found a picture set as my background, which you can see I have a cemetery. And now I'm going to find some characters, copy them, copy the slide, move them, and repeat. So you do that quite a bit. So I found a ghost. He's PNG. You want to make sure your characters or shapes are PNG. Copied it, and I moved, copy, move, copy, move. Shortcut for the duplicate is Control-D. And when you finish, you're going to click on File, Publish to the Web. Click Publish, copy the web address, then change 3000, the last number, to 150 or 300. Play the Google slide until you like how fast it plays. You can always change the number. Some ideas: math, you can show a math problem, how to solve it. ELA, you can write a story or poem to digital flipbook. ELA, you can show a piece of a book that the students read. Social studies, you can show movement of troops moving over land or how land has changed over time. Science, you can show change over time, like the rock cycle, star cycle, or layers of the earth. Tall tweets, that is a separate link. You can create a GIF with your Google Slide digital flipbook. There's the link, and here's one video to explain how to set it up, and you can see my GIF of Dennis I. Resources, I created you a video of how to create a digital flipbook, and I also created a video how to make tall tweet, a GIF. I gave you a link of Eric Kurt's Google Slides stop motion tips and Tony Vincent Learning in Hand Google Slides and stop motion tips. This is my name, Abby Schifferl or Abigail. There's my email. My Twitter is at MakeyTeacher, some of the things I'm certified in, and then a Google form. If you could please fill it out, give me feedback, how I can make this better, or to ask any questions. Thank you.